Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Guess what? We're not at Vito's Italian Cucina. We are in Kansas City, Missouri at my daughter Natalie's home and her husband Allan. That's where we are right now. Last time Allan was on the show, we did pork ribs. Today, he'll tell you what we're going to do today. So let me show you who Allan is. Here he is. There's Allan. This is my son-in-law, Allan. And he was in the Air Force. So I thank you for your service, young man. Thank you very much. And I'm going to let you take this for now. Camera on me. Camera on me. Thanks. Don't stand by. I really... Stand by.
Ciao, and welcome back to Vito's Italian Cucina. My name's Allan. You may remember me. Last time I was on here, I smoked some beautiful pork ribs for you. Today, I got a special treat for you. I'm smoking these beautiful beef ribs. It's going to be... So stay tuned, and let's get rolling. All right, so our first step for preparing these beef ribs is we're gonna put a nice thin layer of mustard over it. Not too much, but it's gonna be a nice little binding agent for our ribs. Put a little bit, just a knife. Rub it in, make sure you get it. So we have one side, we're gonna flip it over. Another thin layer. All right, now that we put the mustard on both sides, it's time to put on the dry rub. Just gonna do a nice thin layer on this side. I'm gonna rub it in. I'm gonna flip it over. Now on this side, we'll be a lot more generous. All right, now that we got the ribs all nice and seasoned, we're gonna go put them in the fridge for about 2 hours. Don't go anywhere, we'll see you real soon.
Guess what? You know, thank you for being our audience here on Vito's Italian Cucina. Today, we got a couple of folks over here that's going to be our audience today. Let's go over and just say hello to them. The audience for our show today.
Oh, man.
It's Cody and it's Vienna. And these are, can I say what you do?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, these are the Kearney police officers of Kearney, Missouri. What's the zip code?
64060.
Okay. Are you having a good time here at the show?
Yes, loving it.
Let's go. Okay, so now we're just doing a laugh track. We want to make sure that you guys have the appropriate laugh for the show. So we just made a huge mistake on set. So mistake. Big mistake. Bad. Ooh.
Oh.
And then another one. Applause, please. All right, that's enough. You pick up your paycheck at the door.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, thanks a lot for coming, guys. I really appreciate you. I love you. One of them is my granddaughter, and you know which one, and the other one is going to be her husband soon. Stand by. You'll love this.
All right, now that we have our Traeger preheated at 225 for about 15 minutes, we're going to throw these ribs on for 3 hours. We're going to put them bone side down directly on the grill. See you in 3 hours. Back so soon? I know it hasn't been 3 hours yet, but I had another one of these in the fridge. Might as well throw it on with the other one. All right, now that they've been in the smoker for 3 hours at 225, it's time to take them in. I have just some apple juice. I'm gonna use about a cup. So I got 2 racks I'm smoking, so 1 cup each. Make sure to cover it. got my foil here. Gonna make sure to completely cover it. And now we're going to put it back in the smoker for about 2 more hours. All right, so we're going to keep it at 225. And put it right back in the smoker. Let's go grab that second one. All right, now that they're in the smoker, they're gonna sit there for roughly 2 more hours and then we'll go check on them. All right, so after having them out of the foil for about 30 to 45 minutes, they're ready to eat. All right, it's time to cut them up. And voila, 6 long hours of smoking, starting at 1 o'clock today, ending at 7 o'clock. But we're here, we're finished, we're hungry, and we're ready to eat. So, cheers. This is good.
Whoa, 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 what's going on here? What? I thought you were going to let me know when they were done. I mean, what the heck? How long did this take?
They're done.
They're done. Oh, they are. Oh, well then, what the heck? For my son-in-law, Allan Poston, that's right, who did the chefing today. He did pork ribs and now he did beef ribs. Thank you for joining us at Vito's Italian Cucina. As we say in Vito's Italian Cucina, ciao for now. Ciao. Okay, look at that. Look at that.